So we're going to try it. The first time I'm trying the chocolate mint. That was money. Hey there, Coach Devin here. All right, so there's lots of protein bars and cookies and stuff out there, right? And some of them are good and some of them not so good. I have had a ton of them over my over my career as a trainer. There's some really good ones. There are ones that are very good for you. There are ones that are terrible for you. Today I want to talk about one that's actually local to where I live. So they're called Mama T protein cookies. The lady who makes them actually lives about 45 minutes away from me in Truro, Nova Scotia. Her name is Tracy Ferguson. That's who Mama T is Tracy Ferguson. And Tracy started making protein cookies. She and her husband own a gym, Troy own a gym, and they decided that she's going to make protein cookies. She started making them, started selling them. I've been eating them for a long time. They're delicious. So, give you a little bit of background story there real fast. The protein cookies her original ones are chocolate chip. They are awesome. Those things are money. I love them. I would eat them all day, every day, given an opportunity. They're really good. Now, you got to keep in mind they are not like a cookie that you're going to eat 3 of, okay? They're a full-on meal. No joke, it's a meal. It's like the originals are like 360 calories a cookie, right? Got a lot of protein in them, which is great. They taste delicious. You will get very quickly addicted to them. But you got to keep in mind that they are actually a meal. You're not eating 2 of them or 3 of them, right? They're a full-on meal. They're something you're going to have as a snack, as a meal. I have them as a snack at work sometimes. Well, I shouldn't say sometimes. I'm going to be honest with you. I have probably one a day, every day. We carry them at work, right? They charge like $4.50 for them, but it's a full-on meal, right? You have that, have a drink. It's a full meal of food. Today, I'm actually going to try. They have a new one out, and we just ordered them. We got a big box of them. These are the chocolate chip. No, I'm lying to you. Chocolate mint. Let's try that again. Chocolate mint. I love chocolate and mint. I'll be honest with you. I love chocolate and mint. So I'm going to try these out. I do usually like chocolate mint, and I do like Tracy's cookies, but we're going to try them out. So give you an idea. There is 330 calories in each one of those suckers. So there's a fair number of calories in there, right? Like I said, it's a full-on meal. And if you'll notice, 21 grams of protein. So it really is like a full-on meal. You're getting 21 grams of protein. You're getting 340 calories. It's a full-on meal. So, yeah, when you eat it, think of it as a meal. Don't think of it as, a little snack that you're going to have 2 of, or that and something else. It's a full meal. All right, so we're going to try it. The first time I'm trying the chocolate mint. That was money. That's money. That's pretty damn good. Tracy, you have outdone yourself. That is delicious. I like this. I'd eat these for sure. Big fan. Listen, the original ones I absolutely love. Love them. They're 360 calories a cookie, so these are 20 calories less. They're easily as good. Easily as good. I 100% would recommend these. Again, you got to keep them in the fridge. They do go bad. They're not like a protein bar that you're keeping. It's going to last for the next, 3 years, and it's good forever. These things do go bad, which is, I'm a big fan of telling people, if it goes bad on the shelf, it's going to go, listen, I'm going to try that again. If it lasts on the shelf for a long time, it lasts in your body a long time. So it's not healthy, it's not good, we don't want that. So you want something that's going to go bad. This is made from real stuff, which is always nice to see. And when you read the ingredient list on this sucker, it's not ingredients of, that are not real foods. Like, it starts with, the first one is oats, whey protein, unpasteurized honey, natural peanut butter, eggs, cocoa, flax. Like, it's real food in there. It's not fake food. It's not going to last a long time on the shelf. It is actual food. It will go bad, so keep it in the fridge. But it's a full-on meal. If you want to eat a cookie, you want to eat something that you feel like you're having some junk food, and at the same time you're actually getting some protein, which is important. You need protein in your diet all the time, guys. Every meal needs protein. Period. End of discussion. Every meal needs protein. These things are money. They're awesome. We carry them at work. We charge like $4.50 for them. Where do you get a meal for $400.50? Seriously. Delicious Mama T protein cookies. I would highly recommend these to pretty much everybody out there. You'll love them. Like I said, first time having the chocolate mint. It's delicious. I would highly recommend it. I've had the original too. The original is delicious. That's chocolate chip. It's awesome too. They're all good as far as I know, but I will keep making these and try out different ones because we have 5 types now, which is kind of exciting. So I'll try some more of these, let you know what I think of them. These are delicious. Try them out. Mama T protein cookies, guys. Have a great day. Don't fight the awesome.